Hi everyone. I know it's too early to come for a live, but actually I didn't come because with this hair mask that I had told a lot of people. So, and I got queries also that you want to see a hair mask, and that I cannot do in a later part of the evening. So, this will be there on record. So, whoever have missed out, you can watch it. Before I could had start talking about the before I could even have started about the hair mask today. Yesterday, 2 days back, I had already put in all the ingredients that I would be using today for the hair mask. So I'll get started. This will be on record. You can all watch down later on, and if you have any queries, you can ask me, because hair mask is something that I cannot start because I need to wash my hair also after that, and I cannot do very quite later. So I'll just do this. What am I actually trying to do? Okay, let me start off without any further delay. Okay, it will be on record, so you guys can watch it later on. What I have used is I've used banana. I'm taking curd, banana, curd, egg. In the thing I've written in the message I had written about. In the message I said in the ingredients I had written about using coconut oil, but I'm off. Coconut oil is finished, so I'm using olive oil, which was there in my kitchen. I'm using methi ka powder. The methi powder I have with me, ready made, that is not house made. Honey I have, and rosemary essential oil. Okay, so I'll start off. This is the banana. I've made it a paste in the grinder. Make sure you make a paste in the grinder, because if you're doing it, if you're smashing it with your hands, so remember, this will the bits will stay back in your hair, so it will be very 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 difficult to take it out, and it's not it will not be so easy for us to take it off. So the best way and the most effective way is to grind the paste. In fact, I would suggest grind all the paste together, but my kitchen is very messy, so I can't show you over there. So I'm taking the stuff any which ways, just whisk all the ingredients nicely. If the banana is made in a good paste, all the benefits of the ingredients such as curd, the banana, the rosemary oil, olive oil, everything I have mentioned it. This is a one in all pack, because if you notice my hair, I have a bit of dandruff. I have dandruff issue. Dandruff issue is mainly one because of I have a dry skin. I have very dry skin. I drink less water. That's there. That's my mistake. I know that. Apart from that, I have colored hair. My hair is colored for ages, so I have very dry hair. I do not have split ends, just because I take care of my hair. That's one thing that I don't have. Hair fall, no, I don't have hair fall. I do have. Hi Ria, how are you? I don't have hair fall, but yes, I do have hair breakage. But yes, there is a certain gap that's coming in my middle parting. See, I've taken good amount. Remember, it's one banana, and how much banana the quantity was there, I've taken that much of quantity of curd. There is no hard and fast rule in this, but I believe that the mask, if you're making a mask or something like that, make it good quantity. Okay, that every strand does not go empty. Okay, every strand of your hair should have the sufficient amount. And after all, these are all homely products. These are all homely products, natural products, right? So these are not anything, there is nothing called chemical into it. So when if you don't give sufficient quantity to the hair, it actually doesn't absorb. So let's not be miser. When you make a paste, I've seen people asking me that should we add water or something. So if you think you want to add the water, don't add the water, add the egg. People who don't use egg, it's all right, use the curd, just leave the egg, that's not an issue. What the egg will give you, and I've also mentioned in my previous text also, that something that gives life, egg gives you life. So imagine the amount of protein, vitamins, minerals, everything is infused. So basically no other protein nothing has so much of protein, because none gives so much of life. None of the things gives life actually. So there is no best alternative to egg. But yeah, avocado you can use if you want. Like I'm using curd also, and I'm using egg, so curd and avocado you use. Mayonnaise, eggless mayonnaise if you have. So this is the rosemary essential oil. I normally use, a lot of people ask me which brand to buy. I normally use Nykaa or Aroma Magic. My first preference is Aroma Magic, because they are the ones who brought in the product. So I go with them. I've put in 10 drops like that, 10 to 12 drops. Sufficient. So there is no hard and fast rule. You need to see how what is the intensity of the smell actually, and how long does it stay. Put it in your hand and see the longevity of an essential oil, how long it stays. So then you come to know how pure it is or unpure it is. And I had some olive oil in my kitchen, so I'm using that only as of now. Normally I have coconut oil, virgin coconut oil, but now this I have used it for my hair, so this doesn't go back to my kitchen. So what's there in that dabba, I'm actually wiping it over my hair. And if you notice something, each and every ingredient that I'm adding, I'm emulsifying it or mixing it very nicely. I'm binding it. So a lot of people I see, they put in all the ingredients and they bind it together. Even if you see the correct way of making cake, you will see that they actually put one ingredient, mix it, then another, then they mix it. So binding is very, very, very important. Okay, now this is the methi ka powder that I have. I know a lot of you must not have woken up also, no? And I'm like too early to be today. Today I'm thinking of in the evening, let me see if I can, I might come up with a makeup tutorial today. Makeup tutorial in the sense like how I do my makeup, as simple. Again, there is no hard and fast rule of doing any makeup. There are n number of YouTube channels that they show, but everybody has their own ways of doing things. I have this pack is one in all. As I said, it gives moisture, it controls hair fall because of the methi, it reboosts your hair growth because of the rosemary, shine, manageable with egg, hydration, all that is cured by the olive oil, the curd, the banana, dandruff is cured. So basically this is one, and these are very easy ingredients. It's just not okay हमको mayonnaise नहीं मिल रहा है, okay which hair pack to put it in the which hair pack to put in your hair. A lot of I see a lot of people asking me दी अब कौन सा hair pack we should ask, which hair mask should we ask. Like, no need. This is equivalent to a hair mask. If you want some, you make a pancake of it also. This mask, amazing pancake comes out. This egg also, the base is there, everything is there apart from the rosemary oil. And put rosemary. Okay, if you don't have rosemary oil, somebody asked me, I'm just telling you, so later on when you people watch the video, you can know and understand. Instead of the rosemary, what you can do, suppose you don't have rosemary oil, take any oil, olive oil, coconut oil, any oil, and just take the oil and put rosemary. Okay? What you put rosemary, okay? From in the market it is easily available, and boil it in the oil for good half an hour, low flame, and cool it down and put it in the grinder and grind it. Don't strain it. A lot of people say to strain it. I will suggest you don't strain it. So first I will put the mask in my scalp, because the two things that I want to cure is my dandruff and my hair fall, and boost my hair growth. So first I will put the mask in my scalp. So I'm making small partition and then parting, and then I'm putting this hair mask. Okay, people, I know this is too early, so you can watch this video later, and if you have any kind of query, please do let me know. I have specifically written all the importance of the okay. Make sure you apply it nicely. Please don't do this application, don't do haphazardly, because this is the I find the application is the most important part, because that's how you come to know like how much the product has gone into your hair. Okay, methi, if you don't have methi powder, what you can do is take methi, soak it overnight, grind it in the morning, right, and then apply it. If you can drink that water that was soaking, you can apply it in your hair also, can drink it. Drinking is better. Now is the most difficult part. That's the pack. I don't know how many of you have applied mehendi. The way you apply mehendi, apply it in that manner. Okay. The way you guys have applied mehendi, apply it in that manner. Good enough. If you have someone in your house to apply this mask, please tell. that person, just don't take few strands of your hair and haphazardly apply it. No point. Effect is still just will be still for one wash. And I guess you don't want that happening. We want to get it treated, right? And that too with natural product treatment is very difficult. Always remember this thing. I have this friend of mine, Vijayini. She was asking me about, she stays in Dubai, and she was asking me about hair fall. So Vijayini, this is the video. Please watch this. Take care. Ria, you also had told me about hair growth oil. Along with that hair growth oil which I've told you to apply, with that once a week if you get time, just do this mask. No harm. I know after the lockout, none of us will have time to do home remedies, so utilize this time. And I just hope this lockout finishes off as soon as possible. I'm super bored with this lockout. Just wondering when will this finish up. Till apply the mask till your scalp feels that cool effect. Till your scalp does not get that cooling effect, keep applying in your scalp. We'll take care of the hair only after we have sufficiently applied to our scalp. We will definitely take care. But we first need to put in the product nicely to the scalp. Remember, crown area is very important. Crown to the occipital bone, that's here till here. The neck area, crown area is a place where we have maximum amount of sweat and sebum is, people especially, remember, who have oily in your T-zone will always have this area oily. So you see where your sebum production is more high, please go in those areas particularly. So my nape area that I'm targeting. You know where the dandruffs, when you comb your hair, you basically have an idea of exactly where you have the dandruff. So go into those areas nicely. Alright, go into those areas very nicely, and I'm redoing the front portion again. I'm redoing it because I have a lot of dandruff in the front area. A lot of dandruff comes up in the. So I redid it. Now I'm dividing my hair into two halves. Okay. Now slowly I'm putting it in my ends. Now I have started with my ends. So ends is just now see. So there's two equal sections. Yeah. So this is two ponytail basically you do. Okay. And oh god, I got it in my pant. It's okay. You'll get messy. It is a messy pack. So no harm. This section I've kept it. Now this section nicely I'm putting it. And I'll wash my hair. I'll show it to you guys. I'll click a photo. Oh, I'll come live only. So that time I hope many of you have been able to watch the video, have all got up and watched the video till then, so that if you have any doubt you can tell me. So don't dripping, no nothing. Now I will take the honey. I could have mixed the honey, but because my hair is very dry, I could have put the honey with the mixture also. There's no harm. I could have used the honey before applying the mask also. I could have used the honey overnight also. But what I do is that I take the honey last and I put it as a covering, and in this manner I put it in my hair. It's all small tricks. All that you do is small tricks. That's all. I know a lot of you have seen people putting honey in the pack and doing it. No harm. Benefit is same. But the result will vary a little. I don't know from where I learned this, but somebody, some very knowledgeable person said, I guess he had told me once this. He's into this industry for a very long time, and he said that, honey when applied alone is good. So, Shwani, this is hair pack, right? I had to start it early because if I have to wash my hair. So ingredients I had, I repost it again. So this is basically a hair pack for all problems: frizzy hair, oily hair, dry hair like mine, colored, my hair is like completely colored, so just the technique is little bit different, that's all. Nothing, no technique is like nothing as such different. It's just that I'm putting the honey in the end, that's all. I've not mixed it with the pack.